Teach Them Right, written by Sandhya Deshpande. Every day, some classes of the school may be engaged by substitution teachers or arrangement teachers. This is done because the teacher who has this as a regular period is either absent for some unavoidable reason or he or she has got some other school duty. So, to engage the students, some teachers are sent by the substitution department. Students generally enjoy these as a surprise package. One should see the twinkling eyes with extra brightness and the smiles when they see the substitution teacher entering their classroom. After wishing him or her happily, their minds get engaged in how these 35 minutes to be utilized the best. Some take permission and move near their friends for talking, chit chatting. Some start playing stone, paper, scissors, etc. Some get involved in drawing, coloring, making some cartoon sketches, and whatnot. It is so wonderful to see them getting into the activities of their choice automatically. Some also read books, though the sight is rare but thankfully exists. I got an arrangement in one of the primary standards, and as I just mentioned, the things went in the same way. I started doing my work after appreciating the whole class for being so good. I found some students were tearing papers from their notebooks and were trying to cut them into smaller pieces. I tried to stop them, but then they smartly moved to the backbenches and continued with it. I stood up and addressed the class in Hindi. Vidyadhigan Kripya Dhyan De. Oh, what a pin drop silence. All stopped whatever they were doing and paid full attention to me in a happy but surprised way. I said, "Let me tell you all the story of the paper." "Story of paper?" they exclaimed. I said, "Yes." Somehow, even today, the children are very excited. Everybody sat very attentively, and I started narrating the whole journey of a tree becoming a sheet of paper of different types. So many trees lose their lives so that you get the paper. A large amount of fresh water is polluted due to the usage of harsh and strong chemicals. The air of a few kilometers gets polluted due to the release of bad and foul smell, which is because of rotting of plant tissues or pulp. Then bleaching, rolling, drying, dyeing into colors, and a series of processing. When a tree loses its life, it is just not the tree, but the birds, insects, bees, butterflies, spiders, and so many other creatures become homeless and their families are destroyed. All this long process in which we have degraded the environment in every possible way, and then we spent some money to get these notebooks home, and now we are tearing. If one student tears just one paper, we have 40 students in just one class. So 40 pages from one class But we have 5 sections of each class, and that till 12th standard. So, have you ever realized this huge wastage of paper? By doing so, how much harm are we doing to nature? Finally, the soul of the tree questions, are these the ones for whom I lost my life? Aquatic animals died, air got polluted, people suffered respiratory disorders, some birds also lost their lives. Now, it is up to you to decide whether what you are doing is right or wrong. Thank you very much.